Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your iPad supports Apple Pay and is updated, then add a card. Open Settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay and choose Add Card. Follow on-screen prompts to scan or enter card details. Verify with your bank when prompted. Once done, authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode so the card is securely stored. This links the payment method to your iPad and prepares you for in-app and online purchases. You select Apple Pay at an app or website checkout and confirm the payment summary. Make sure the correct card and shipping address are shown. Once you review totals and, if needed, change billing or shipping, authorize the transaction. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to finalize payment. Apple Pay never shares your full card number with merchants. After authorization, you'll see a confirmation on screen and receive a receipt from the app or email, so keep records for returns or disputes. You finish by checking the transaction confirmation and reviewing recent charges in Wallet and Apple Pay settings. If something fails, such as authorization or verification, remove the card and add it again, since re-adding forces a fresh verification with your bank. Make sure your iPad has internet access and correct date and time, because banks reject mismatched timestamps. If problems persist, contact your card issuer. Otherwise, resume payments once verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.